Say some butts.
What? Tell her.
Phone a burn up.
What? Every minute somebody mention me.
Tell your
Me
man.
see your phone, me see her go on, yeah, kick up views.
Tag along bad man, me not lie.
And you know, if I tell you the truth. Oh, you did there. I will be there when the song build up. Fire creative. Fire phone that one.
Yeah.
Fire said, don't open your mouth.
Real.
Don't open your mouth. For all of the fans them when they like open their mouth. And you know over there so they have the fans them where can open their mouth.
And one thing though with a girl, you're determined, you know long. You write song and song that when I get a bus here. I rate you.
How long know me I do music?
I must say a long time you know. You write song from primary.
Boomba. Someone know say I'm a real Gina dog. Even me remember say so long me I do music, you know. Yo, hold on. You know say somebody I link me to yeah, cut.
Sound careful on the road. Alright?
Yeah, man.
Open your eyes.
Yeah. Same to me.
Come on. Peace out. Boy, that man have to come here every night. You can't
You
make
can't
rest.
stand the talk bullshit. I wish I did me one man to come for every night.
No one knows that she's safe still, doesn't me?
But the girl is well alright. I worry about the wrong thing.
Because she's street smart, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I said some more. I want goodie.
So do not go to party tonight?
No, sir. We're staying home.
I know me wrong. I have no money.
We're broke.
Why? If you have money with that sponsor, I will have enough. But now money, I know. Oh, well, you can check myself on that picture road still, so later.
Alright, yeah, man.
Yeah, take care.
Cool.
Boy, we need to do better, you know. Everybody got a road and we just there, so.
Not true. With a musty house, Lily.
I true school of where we are, man.
I don't lie. Every time soon come, man. Know yourself. Understand?
I know me feel like me I go give one professor where look me a link.
Yeah, at least you have an option. I want to not sleep yet. I don't know coursework.
Look at this one here. I said come in and ask about coursework.
Coursework.
Every minute not talk about man. How about man, so?
So I'm to you, Kira. You not have no man. You come and talk about coursework. You not no man.
We can't go and talk. My main focus right now is college. Man can't stay for last one time I done college and get my Toyota RAV4 and something.
They're not perfect, you know. But you know, so we need them at times. We need to go cuddling. Somebody to take we out, bring us presents and gifts and make we feel special. What you talk about, girl? And when you're down and your man call and tell us something nice, you know that feel good.
And
What
if
you
I'm
talk
money.
about? Worst thing I tell us when I get some money.
She don't understand, you know. Yes,
What
man.
do you?
Send me to college. Phone, man pay. Little apartment, yeah. Man still help me pay that. When you're lonely. Why you look start out in your pleasure? What you are going to do? Talk, man, talk.
I mean, no, she not have a tie. So tell me something. Suppose when you left school, right? And you get a degree. And you still not get a job. Man, you can't put out, you can't nothing for yourself. What you are going to do? You are going to need back it, you are going to need backup. And the only backup is man unless you are going to take woman. Talk to me.
Well, I see one nice cute guy from the school and he saying like me. I don't know if I like him, so, but I think I'll give him a chance and see what going on.
Give him a chance.
Yeah, man, give man a chance and make him take your virginity.
Just make sure so when you start, you have your protection. Always have a condom.
You know, so sometimes I really want to know if it's true. Make sure so I don't make no mistake, you know.
We don't make you make no mistake. Are we have your front?
Oi! Me a come there. Yeah, David.
You know, say iPhone charger me come borrow though. Cause me wake up this morning and realize that my charger not work.
You can give one. You know what I mean? You can make sure me I get it right now for you.
So my friend Ashley, she not there.
Yo, I don't even hear about the name there right now, you know. Hold on. One second.
Yo,
Give me brother, what go on?
look, one thing more you do for me today. No man, I know what I send you, man. I just want you to carry me. But drop me off on our wedding.
Yeah man, yeah. Drop it down, sir. No problem, man. Me a forward now. Yeah? Alright, cool. Here we go. Let me go for each other first. Because I have to run on the road, yeah?
Alright.
Don't
yes.
over there.
Yeah, man. Respect. Yeah, man. I wonder what they have. Let me call Ashley and find out what go on. Cause phone battery all a dead too, you know. Now it sound like your phone ring on this. So. Girl! Sorry, I see the girl.
Yeah, boom. Are you call me?
Yes. Yeah, sit down. How you feel, man?
Boy, I not even know which part to start tell her from. By the way, how you here? How you know say me and my man in a thing?
Just a come over your yard. I see them go borrow your charger. Cause he lend me this and I know say no film charger. Cause I never see my iPhone charger. I ask him for you. You want to see the face he give me? You know say man there dirty dog though.
And I really him do nothing still, you know. But I want a long story. I will leave to it. One next time when I see him, I tell him, I just stress out.
What you say? But it sound like a big things are going on the man. Like you hide things from me, you know, so we live.
No, man. Nothing like that. I not hide nothing from you, girl. I just stress out. You know, one day I'm crab up.
Oh.
But I go make you know what I go on. I go down yes. Yeah.
Make
you
sure
good
you know.
know.
Yeah, man, me good man. If I nothing, you know, say you always can talk to me.
You go know everything.
You sure say yes, sir?
Yeah man, alright just man,
Oh. So, what you say I do love you, sir?
You know say I want my brethren link me for come video and wedding film. So hold on. When me say wedding your face look so?
You remember Ashley? For me girl? And the reason I say girl right now because I can't believe she don't do that to me. Brother, the girl, no, give me bun with one brethren who I know personally. But at the party when I see her, you know what I mean? And to me, it better somebody when tell me about it than me have to see it for myself. Don't in a man throat. You know what I mean? I mean,
Sorry, I
myself,
don't mean to laugh, but I don't in a throat part, can I get me? But really and truly on a serious note, me never expect that from Ashley still. But where she there now?
She up a yard there, brother.
Where you just say?
Try with a girl
She
there.
up in your yard? Jaja. Alright, so hold on. Me think say that left for her after she cheat. But big man thing. What you plan for?
My brother, for real, you know, hear what going on. Me when I think about for work it out, you know. But which part of the reach right now, brother? I can't do it because you see how I feel, or the girl that me feel seen say, you know, she do it and not tell the story about it. I feel for you, mash her down. You know what I mean? I lick down all the youth and thing. But based on what I go on, at 3 days, I get it come out of the place, you know. But it's still there yard still, but connection, no. 8 years, you know. 8 years, brother. That I problem.
Alright, you are one, brother. Not do nothing too rush. Zane, just take a deep breath and just think about everything what you are going to do. Because I know say rough, you know. You see me? See you now, I want with me I go do. So people still are get married. So at least there is still hope. You see me? So just do the right thing. If you have to let her go. And just no rushing or nothing. If you find a new girl, you find a new girl. But I go match up this and now and just see if you can come pick me up later though, Zin? Alright, so if anything look more there, Zin? You take out there, Zin, yeah.
you see there? Alright. You know, saying I make no sense, me try to communicate with you. And the thing is, you're going like a you for vex. And me for vexing and me for feel a way about the whole situation. I make no sense. Why this don't make no sense?
Me can't deal with it like this. You understand? Me can't talk to you in this state. You me know say me wrong. No say I'm me wrong. But you're going like say you're perfect. Nobody not perfect. I don't like how you did a deal with situation in there, so that's why I come out and say me a breeze out.
Past that stage a long time, you know. Past that stage a long time. You know what I mean? Cause guess I know. You see the stage over there right now is like a broken glass. Can't mend up. Can't me personally don't have that time there. El finito, we just done. Can't work out certain way. You understand? And when you see me walk out here, so come talk to you. I talk to you because I'm if you know say how. You have to just take your things and go on. You know what I mean? Because you can't work.
What you mean me have to pack up and leave? Baby, when me I go stay? Yeah, me know say me wrong.
Let me tell you this. When you do what you do, you never think about where you go stay afterwards. You never think about the other thing.
I know say me wrong and everything, but me not have, you have to give me some time or something.
No time not there. I be a skeleton there right now. So guess what now? You see, what me see with my eyes, seeing, I know somebody come tell me, you know. I know somebody come and miss you with my eyes. So guess what you have to do? You have to understand. Alright, here I go. Me I give you 3 days. 3 days. 3 days me I give you. 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 days. And after 3 days, you better find somewhere. So today, my time now. The time start now, you know.
Baby, 3 days. 3 days. 3 days can't work. Me are there for 8 years now. Look for me when me attack me. 3 days. 3 days can't work. 3 are dead. By the way, me are there for 8 years now. And by rights, me supposed to have shares in everything.
You're lucky me I give you 3 days and now me put you out. You talk about shares. Share what only thing we share was a plate of food. You know what I mean? Because I guess you know, 8 years and you fit do that to me. You don't think about the flip side of the situation. You are going. Do what you want to do, you know. Because me I tell you have to go.
If me go down to the lawyer right now or anywhere, them can tell you by rights. You have to give me more time or sir, have some sympathy. Me and you together. It's like you don't have no heart.
If you want to reach a police, make you reach a police. What you have to do, what you have to do. Enjoy your day. Do you start now?
How did this idiot waste money? Hey, you must feel like a psycho. A wrong girl this year. By the way, anything where you say, you just go on.
Father God guide me, you know. Because I guess you know, you see a girl that talk or kind of something. I don't want to do nothing I'm not supposed to do, you know. Make she take her things out of the place.
You know say me all agree on that too. Because any other boy they dash me thing them out the door. A war, you know. Any boy dash me sit them out the door.
Welcome people, it's your girl Singer Kira, and I also want to get over every channel, yes, but the entire video I got it over my channel, which is Kira TV. Also the link I got it down in the description box below, so go over there, go check out the entire video, subscribe to every channel, subscribe to Kira TV for more exciting and nice short films. Bye.
My youth, what may you say go on with?
What?
Eh?
With what?
What may you say with what?
With what, me general? Me don't know nothing where you talk about. You just come here and talk about see you. What me do? Explain yourself right now. Me not understand.
Yo, me in a little pity business with you, you know. And you know, see me and my woman saying, and you can walk on the place and I come advertise me a gallus and this and that because girl them like me, yeah. But yo, me and my woman brethren, and me I try to make it work. A long time we I try get it settled, you know. And you can advertise certain things. What problem?
No, man. No, man. You get some bad to us. You just go accuse me. Me, I can tell people say you're gallus. I'm from not see you as no gallus. You're one burner, man. Who could have called me name? Look at my face good. My face look like somebody I walk and watch people. General, come clean, man. Come clean. Look how long me know you. Me don't know you as no gallus. Probably me might see you with 6, 7, 8 gal on the road. Me don't call that gallus.
Yo,
A boy
upper
think
Kerry
that.
me I come from, you know. Upper Kerry yard, me walk, me 2 foot them come from up there. And that's where me I come from right now. Kerry tell me, say, you, I know you know Popeye, Popeye, I chat all these things I talk about me. Brother, me no depend what you depend, you know. Me no depend what you depend. Guess what you gonna do? You have to go clear it out with Kerry.
Well, I know, me general. See where you gone wrong now? Remember say, no, I know me alone name Popeye, you know. The whole universe have Popeye in the area you go, you have a Popeye. So, to me you know I can't tell nobody say you're a gallus. Because you're a girl clone. You're a real girl clone.
Oh, you call girl clone, you know me? Yo, I show me that one, do something idea. Yo, who you call girl clone?
Where you do? Put it down. You can't even beat your woman yard and me or beat. You're a real girl clone, youth. You're a girl clone. You better go on, man. Yeah, man.
You go on, yeah? Go and try your clit. Because you're chocolate. Me a girl clone and you're chocolate. It's alright, everything good.
You have to test it before you try. On this third man, farm and chocolate there.
Next time, clean up the place, yeah.
Mix them and mix it up in a star. Yo, I chew, yo. Kerry!
Oi,
What on?
but there.
You know where Papa me I come from?
Yeah?
Yeah man, Papa me I come from right now.
What on?
He might tell me what I go on. You know what I mean? Cause me have to check him. You know, regardless of tell me what I go on, me have to link him still and find out the nitty gritty cause me can't bother to mix up.
Youth, you really go for Papa after me tell you that? I can't believe you do this. I not rate you, my G. I can't trust you again. I not rate what you do, swear. That means that anything I'm going to tell you, I go back to
I can't take him mix up. I have to go down there and talk to him. What you expect me to do? I just ease myself. I'm a woman, me I talk about, you know. At the end of the day, it's like, me know, say, you know, you tell me that confidence and I respect that as a virgin. But guess what now? I have to find out because who know go sit down and just wait. What me go do? Me have to check Papa if I have to see really what I go on. You tell me that yes. Me sorry for telling him still
Okay. And you mix up your this. So you think me name now follow you? You think me name now follow you? You! What you call up me name for? You lady, yes, you!
Me?
You! And him. I come on and come talk about me, I watch him. But we tell people when my girl is, when my girl is, you're a girl clone. Me and you know no association.
Hey. Are you follow me? You want me shadow? You me shadow? Hey, don't follow me, man. We are talking about me. How me so me do? You me shadow? You come walk up behind me every time. Yo, you look at the shadow. Yo, me look you long enough by you. Me want to lose blue man, you know. You see me lose blue man? Me want to lose blue man. You see my friend? Just wait. Me want to see you.
Hold me.
Oi, easy yourself, man.
Come on, Come on, that place now. See how you? Just wait. Me want to see you on the road, you know.
Listen, you see, as long as you don't live, don't call back me name. Me know what people business. Me tell you already, people business jump on me foot. And once you jump on me foot, it they go kick. So talk.
Step out that place.
What?
You.
Oi, easy yourself. What you say me call up your name with?
You tell him more me I call up this a rent a jed. Not me yam that's a rent like him. And I can talk about me say him a gallus. When me know say him a girl clone already. Which part you hear me tell us say him a
When you
gallus?
come here yesterday, you never tell me say you see camera down and saw with Wally pa woman.
tell me say your name says so.
Me see him, but you know, listen what me did say yesterday. Me say, Kemar is a man not to carry out, go anywhere. You have to put the man there aside because when the man they go nowhere, me can't get no girl because my girl fool. Me never say my girl is girl fool. And you can't tell the man about me, I walk up and tell him what my girl is.
So Kemar, you did really upside one if a girl?
Yes, you know what I mean? It was one of them night there, you know what I mean?
One of them
on
night
my birthday.
One of them night.
On my birthday, man. You know me have, you know, birthday. But yo, leave my business alone. Yes, sir.
That's how my business. Yo, one birthday, it was just a gigolo.
Yo, you see how you
Calm down, little man. Calm down, man. Wanna ease on yourself.
On my birthday.
Wanna ease on yourself. It was just a misunderstanding, man. But here what? No need to prolong this no more. Just go on up your yard and you come out. Because I need to do some things right now.
Yo, make him go on first. Make him go on. Go on, come out that place first. Because me don't want to pass him. Yo, come on, everybody. Yo, see how you
Go on your house. Go on your house, man. Go on.
You come like a grass. Go ahead. Get everywhere. See how you? Go ahead, man. Well, brother.
I want over there, so. Me here chatting and cussing and sitting. Now I want over there.
No, go on, man. Just me, my brethren will link up over there so we are talk about, you know, who forget the partner draw and all these things. You know what I mean? But, you know, sometimes we have some little heated conversation. But me I say, I come link you, you know.
Come link me? What you mean call link me?
I mean, I come link you, yes, get a link, because we can do some of them something, you know. Dugu. No. What you say?
What? Hey boy, I two people there make me not send you up on the hey, move out of my doorway, man, and go along by your business. Send you to the fence into your lick you down too. Come out of my doorway, man.
No to violence. No to violence.
What, me?
No to violence.
Right. Boy, I come talk, boy, I come check me, check how you're bright.
Yeah, girl, party did nice last night, you know? Yeah, remember some go out on the head top.
Excuse me, princess. Let me
Wait, somebody talk to me. Soon call you back here. Yeah, we can go out later again. Alright, later. Yeah.
You see, I walk by and me happy. Just even though I see her up on your phone and think I don't want to be rude, you know what I mean, if I say I'm willing to, you know what I mean, talk to you in such a way where, you know, we can take it to a different level if possible. Because I guess I know a girl like you, I know so you must have a boyfriend to tell you how special you are every day. You know what I mean? Because them lips, I know so I'm telling you this.
Hello, if you are going to tell me so you like me, just say it straight out. We are grown so much kind of for. But anyways, I have my man.
Okay, I understand what you said, but that means that me can come on.
Until boy, until.
You mean?
You hear me say me have my man?
Come on. Alright, when I outside, you did there look at the girl, you know? I know you come and look this a girl. You're one dirty dog. That means I never like Papa did that.
So you did just run there, so I look one girl, and you come out and look me?
You see a dog that?
Come here,
From you hear the voice and you see the face, you know who it is. Richard Brown already. Alright? So, if it's your first time to the channel, it simply means that you have not subscribed as yet. So please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified when we upload brand new content. Because you don't know, we are grow and we need your support. So please subscribe.
Hi. So welcome to the channel. Subscribe, make sure someone hit the post notification bell so you don't miss a post. The experience from me come down here Negril and left out of Portland, it is great because I'm still there. I learned enough something. I never know if I turn on one camera, now me I shoot. I never know if I edit, now me I edit, and that is a big thank you to Richard Brown, Imana G. Big up yourself, Richie.
All me see I take up some girl, we are run them, I not run them down. It's what me there I do. Me I try if you know how to chocolate.
No.
Where you say I try for chocolate?
I try chocolate. I'll find where you want to go, man. Understand? No problem. Let's go.
Alright. Alright, bye. Action.
You talk about lucky she hold it. You're lucky she hold me. No, you didn't touch me. No, man.
You must have a boyfriend to tell you how special you are every day. You know what I mean? Because them lips, you know, them tell every day, so, you know, them. I can't say suckable. Can I say suckable? You start prepare food then?
No, I'm not doing dishes them first.
Oh, okay. I guess I'm hungry, you know.
But here one
Oh.
I don't have enough flour and stuff for it.
You don't have enough what?
Flour so you know get enough dumpling like we like.
Jeez, how kind of situation that? Tonight a wrong night for that, you know. So how comes the flour so a little bit?
I never remember forgetting.
No worries, man. Just go on the way, yeah? Because me understand the situation. I just me and you, and we hungry belly cousin now really pass through today, so we're good to go.
Alright.
Yeah?
Public.
Baby, hear that?
Public.
Bye.
Public. That sound like public, did you, man? What? Welcome myself here, man. What? Open up. Nobody in?
Yo, what one?
What me do?
Everything good?
Yeah, man, me just come from the bar. I'm frost.
You're frost? Why look like you walk with the bar?
You don't have no food around there?
No, man, nothing around there. Whoa, yo, sit down.
No, you always have put them there, man. So where your wife there? You know around there?
She asleep. A late time, brother. You see, since the curfew, everybody have to go to bed early. You know what's that saying right now? We don't have no choice. Because I guess I know, we almost stop down at a restaurant to buy some food because we never plan to cook. Me never plan to cook. So it's like say, you know, we have to just go to bed.
Listen to me. Curfew is no curfew when you're there in your yard. So if you tell me you want to little food around there, oh, you have curfew in your yard, and in your yard you're there.
Hey, lower your voice before my wife wake up and start curse you. You know what I mean? But guess what you have to go do? You have to go find something to eat around so you know, or something, but nothing not going on. I can't guarantee you that. You know what I mean?
I don't wake up your wife. I don't wake up your...
Oh.
You don't smell that?
No, I'm not smell that.
Whoosh! No, man, I smell food, man.
No, man, you are going now. I know food, you smell. Sit down, take your time, sit down, man. Just relax, man. Me don't know, maybe a KFC smell wrong, so car breeze a blow heavy and thing.
Me know KFC smell. You have to tell them all that life for 3 hours before you get a piece of chicken and you tell me say KFC. No, man, come on.
Don't worry yourself, man. Hear what I'm going to do. I'm going to check if I the neighbor and see what I go. Here, don't move first, man. Everything good.
Hurry up now, come on, piece of chicken. Hungry, I bark me, man.
Alright, don't worry yourself, man. See? I check and forward back. Hey, the man a smell the food from out there, so me nah share no food tonight. You hear me say, help me window them, lucky pot them, don't make a sense come out of the pot. Help me do, as a matter of fact, help me window them, make it blow over neighbor yard. Help me them. So, step aside. Right, come on, get you. Yes.
You don't want me there.
Fast, come on, I don't want to go. Yes, help me do if I solve the case. What me do them? What me do? Yeah, I can see so. I soon come here. After making go. Yo, you still there?
If me still there, if you know me hungry.
Go over look, come on. You are going. I have bad news to tell my brother.
What happened now?
I know the neighbor will like me. I cook. So, them a cook, but you can't get none. Your dog knows I work for truth. Food I cook, man, that year. You can smell the atmosphere. You know what I mean? But I'm sorry for you. I don't know how you work it out. You have to go just, you know, go and go eat piece of bull or something, I don't know.
Listen, no. Yeah, your neighbor mind not talking. But maybe if me go over there go beg them, so I just pass to your house and go talk to them. And them not talk. But me and them agree. Just let me pass through this, please. I'm going to go talk to them.
Hold on. I know so this thing work. Me tell you already. Say me woman in there asleep. I mean I want she wake up and come cuss you. Cause and then me know if when time come and time get cold, me can't go touch her. Cause she go vex with me. You understand? And you know say in a them a time ya breeze a blow cold. You understand?
Popeye, look how long me cooking mackerel up there and I wait upon you.
Mackerel again! I'm here mackerel with milk.
Milk?
Yes, go on.
As a matter of fact, you know, you better come up and near me food, you know. Me not let you done here. I put the blood. Yo, come pull the grill.
See out there. Oh, sorry. You know what I do for?
Come.
Public.
Come near me food.
Public.
Come near me food.
Look one. Hey, if you've been watching so far, guess what? Thanks for the support. Thanks for staying with us. Thanks for enjoying. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking, comment, and share. This is Popeye, and this is
Bad girl carry.
My God, you hear that? Bad.
Hello.
Hello.
If you're watching, that means God bless you today.
Yes, Lord.
And I'm glad. And I said hallelujah.
Yeah, man, guess what? This is public report and public with a K, public official, you know what I mean? So guess what? Thanks for watching, thanks for enjoying, thanks for supporting. This is Popeye, this is Care, and you don't know, so we're there. Just entertain, you know, all the way. Richard Brown Films team, you know what I mean? That's the dream. What your name? Tell them what your name now?
My name is Bad Girl Care. I'm new, but look out for me.
Yeah, man. Popeye, take
My
it away.
name is
Take it away, Popeye.
Popeye, you know. Yes. I'm just making people laugh no matter what I do. I enjoy making you guys laugh. Continue support. Please subscribe. I will give you a long support on this channel. I will make this man have me on his channel.
Yeah, man,
as long as you guys keep on watching, I will
like.
support him.
Yeah, man.
And being on it, they're going to laugh.
Yeah, man.
And we are going to do a 2P's one. So the continue. Make sure you subscribe. Don't miss it.
Go on. Him drink a little bit too much. Everything good still, you know, go on do your thing. I hope my hungry belly cousin will come over here tonight. I think come over here tonight, I will... Jesus Christ, man. Babe, guess who?
Oh.
The dirty Popeye out there, man. Jesus Christ, man.
Oh.
The dirty Popeye. Sorry, man, I run him away.
Trust!
Me realize, me can, you know what I mean? Smell like you walk with the bar. The Holy Spirit.
You know no food on the back there?
No, man, nothing around there, Whoa, yo, songs. General, tell about them girls there, you know. That's top dog, you know. You must girl me a brother, so.
They're wicked, they're bad.
Yo, it's that brown in there coming forward, yeah. I try thinking and see what I'm going because, yo, she give me some eyes which did it. But I'm just going like everything smooth because you don't know you go already, you know? Don't want a one girl. I can't do the one girl thing, brother.
Yo, yeah, I feel have one, bro. Cause what you know? You know, make no sense. You know, run up and down with them bag of girl.
Yeah, but I try things still with that brown in there because long time she crazy.
Rough, man.
Yeah, man, she approve me, brother.
Come on, say you're
Let's check it, brown, and I see what I'm going. So, you're right. Big up yourself, you know.
You say one big one, man.
Yeah, man, a big one. Cougar, Roga. It is what it is, brother. Bless yourself. Bless your wife with me now. See inside. All right, man has a respect. don't know, so without Rasta, I can't nice, you know what I mean? Come out of the sun, make you ever talk, man. It's a long time I say, you know what I mean? Woy, yes, Father. Hallelujah.
Speak your mind.
Speak my mind was stuck on you, you know, because I tell you, say, yo, a long time I think about you, you know. I just have to keep it cool, because I don't want you to feel like I don't rush thing. A woman like you don't need no jump up and all them something. You need somebody to, you know, spend some time, you know what I mean, focus on you, make sure everything works smooth, you know what I mean. Because you look, to a Rasta, you don't share the same religion already, so that's our first step, you know what I mean. So, only thing we have to do is just maintain that vibe there and make it happen. But it's up to you still. We're not rushing, we're not force you. We just happen. You know what I mean?
You look like you have something to say, and you don't want to say it. Just speak your mind, man. Now listen.
Want need
Get to the point.
I need in my life. I tell you something, man. You're relevant. You're relevant to me. You're a big man, and you know how to do the things then. You've been there, done that, and you know, say, at this point, you don't want nobody to play with you. You know what I mean? But me want you. You need it. You understand? So, I don't know if we can make it work, and we want it to work. So just let me know if, you know what I mean, we can get started. I'm going to take care of it. I talk about take care, but I talk about no half thing.
Hold on right there, sir. Hold on there. You really think some me would want you?
Me?
For do what?
When last you get a proper massage, you know, when last man they rub on your body, you know what I mean, caress you and make sure say, yo, you would penetrate straight. When last that happened to you?
You forgot something.
I'm forget.
Me and you are friends long time. Me not expect this from you. You don't know so me no want you. If me did want you, me would have a long time. You forgot to know your woman a friend? And you come and look me? Man like you, me not do it. Because you seem like how you go diss up your woman for me and me your friend. I understand you start talk about massage and one or something. May I explain my problem them to you? Don't bother with it.
So you really put it?
Come on, me no want you, me your friend. We are friends.
Yeah, but we can excel to the next step.
On. No, me don't want you.
You sure?
Me sure so me no want you. We are just friends.
Everything good still. You done say what you say, and I done say what I say. You just now work out. Everything good. Yes, sir?
My body you want to
no, man, that man. Everything good, man.
Stay with your woman.
Yeah, man.
Too much woman.
Holy man will lie.
Keep your things in your pants. And if you learn to satisfy, that me not like we do.
On your yard. Mama.
Afternoon.
So you do everything alright?
Yeah, man.
Thank God, I just a pass and I see him half a turn back. I don't know what I mean, something that strike my eye, you know? So, something I buy in that place, huh?
Not really, but you can buy me so much.
What you say? Service! That's a lady that come like she hot like a fire. What about Mama? Everything alright?
No.
Alright.
No.
One bucket of water.
Water or cold?
Hot.
So tell me something, I mean, more, you know, talk to you outside no more, you know what I mean?
Okay.
I'm nice, we get to know you a little bit. Don't forget the water, Mama.
Oh.
What do you mean?
Name Apple.
Apple in here?
Yeah.
Oh, apple to apple, plum to plum. Hi! I'm also still, you know, I see how me can't tell me yeah for you and thing, you know what I mean? Like a strong body and all these things. We know if something can work for you, that, you know, means that in a brother can take care of you.
So hold on there. So true you buy me one bottle of water down and shop a while ago. You feel like say you can look me?
Yeah man, you are going. This is start from, you know. You know what I mean? We can't work to start at some place. We can't just get up and then wait till it.
But I have my man.
You have your man?
Yeah.
But me have my woman too. For some of the case, so we can work out something.
You know say you're a dirty man. You have your woman and me I tell you say me have my man. And you still a dry it out, still a look me. As a matter of fact, hold back your water, I'm not thirsty. It's a dirty man, you. You just want to jump in on my panties, so one bucket of water make all of this. As a matter of fact, go on home to your woman, because I go home to my man.
You alright, you know? You look good, everything alright. Drink my water. Me thirsty. You not thirsty?
One for your woman.
Come good. I'm going to try food. It's alright. Oh, go on, General.
There, man.
Thing alright?
There.
Yo, you see me? You have to try to be a girl that's like me. Yo, you see a girl that? Yeah, man. See me girl like, brother. The big girl is like me, you know.
Hey, girl is. What you say? Alright, my boss.
You know what I mean? Because look more, you know. And she gonna link up and we are gonna go out and have a nice time, you know what I mean? Yo, you see earlier on, you have a brownie down so. When I sort out and thing. Yeah, man, my girl, them this. Stand lane and my lane, brother. You have to be girls like me. Top man will be in the area, general. See? Yeah, man. Bless up yourself. Alright. See, sir? What you mean? Fuck me down. Hold them.
Boy, girl clown can't tap make.
You ever have icky pan and make one of your woman them bright needed? You're not so tough.
Are the can you come? Hey, so here we go on. Bob, Bob!
No matter f*** around on, come on. Chat about the buff.
My girl, that. A little more, we have a link up. We go, you know what I mean? Go eat some, you know what I mean? Or, no, take a eat us.
We can't work out something.
That can't work out.
Come on.
They can't just come by me one back of water and then one look me.
No, no matter that, man. You
Check out the film now. Like, subscribe, enjoy, right?
Why wonder Papa got some misery, man? Yo, Papa, forward there.
What man?
There, why free now? Why you come from up here some misery, man?
Why? We don't know. I'm telling you, my friend. You know, some woman pissed me off though. 3 months. No sex. Nothing. Not one of the chokes. I mean, I want to go, they got cheat. That makes it worse.
Why? Why rough your fault, boy? I have to give him some Spanish fly, no boy.
You know, so come to think of it. Me need penetrate by the Spanish fly, no boy. That's a good idea. But wait. Come to think of it though. Me go use it. Me not go do it in time to stop. Because you know that's something make me and bad. So I want it naturally.
Boy, Papa, I'm telling you something, man. You have to go back some blend up, man, and put the Spanish fly in them, man, and make him drink him, and make him in emotion, man. Because I know the thing we work, man. Because I know the woman, they want it hard, you know. That's why you know, make you feel up, you know, you have to give her hard, man. You see me? You have to give her hard, you see it? You have to do your thing official, you see me?
You know, say right. Me I go home right now, go give it a try. Since I just say hard. Big up yourself. Alright. Well, rude structure now, you know. Oh, alright. See you. Alright.
So, Papa, why would they miss you miserable? To you?
God no. I tell you the truth, Slim. I don't know where to start. Trust me. I would wish if I could help you right now. I don't know where to start.
And I'm here help. I can't bother with the miserable vibes, man. Don't miserable yourself when you're around me. Sure. But for real, you can start from the beginning and tell me how I go on.
tell you the truth right now, Slim. I just some pum want, you know. The one of them in yard right now. No matter how I try to touch him, he box off me and he not give me nothing right now. Blow balls me out to have you know. You man not give me nothing. Me I want to be a man.
Really?
Right.
Really?
Enough.
That make you there some bizarre yourself? So really, what really happened up a yard with your mama? Make she not give enough.
Right now, you know, Slim. But I say the same thing because you are a woman because every minute me want something from her, me I touch her, she a box me off from her hand, we put on clothes from her, she get up. It's like she lock shop on me and open shop on the next man. I don't know how she change and turn the other way around. So it's something or something.
Yeah, that really a go on? I not get no money, you know? Or you not provide the service them properly? Cause that no sound right.
Stamina is not the problem as far as I can see. But enough of she. Enough of she. Me get over she the pan highway, you know. Differently, what about you? I couldn't get some.
No man, Papa. Nothing can go on here, so. You don't know so me have my man already. But for real, I wonder if something specific she want and you not give her.
I can't want me to think you are talking about mama. You can't talk about that right now in my head. I can't that. Explain yourself, please. I can't understand. Explain what you are trying to say me now. Yeah.
That one, so man. You can't freak out through me tell you that. You know the normal things where man them do nowadays.
What you just say a while ago? Eh? What you just say? Them the thing they don't ramp with. The only thing to go for my plate of food they cook. She have to keep that to herself. If you want me to be friend, don't mention that to me, please. Don't mention it. You know that? Mr. Mutt not so strong. Don't do it again, man. Say something different.
Where you going so far? And normal something them there nowadays. And that's why your woman not sponsor you. Now you are going so far. You hear them sing song about lick lick. Normal something them there. And not if you try.
Try what? Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Me I come from my yard because you now lead me to straight. You and your lick and what you want to talk about on TV can stay one place because me now go down that road. Right.
Watch him. Go on in your yard, man. And no found out do it behind closed door and I go on like say you not do nothing. All you probably do it too. Go on, man. Go on in your yard. Right.
Hello, subscribe. Yeah, you guys subscribe? Please subscribe. Please, please, please subscribe. Please. If you subscribe, you get a lot of video every day. If you're not subscribed, subscribe now. Leave a like, leave a share. Subscribe, tell me that you share, and I will respect you and give you a thumbs up. Subscribe, I always watch your comment. No problem. Welcome to Jamaica, where the crime rates are high. Subscribe.
And action.
Right now, Slim, your woman, and you wish that they ask me because if every minute me I touch her, she a box off me hand. It's like she lock shop on me and open shop on another woman. What the f*** me I say?
And action.
Something what? What are you trying to tell me? Say something with a blow or this?
Action.
Subscribe, yeah? Comment, like, share. Tell them what you're sitting
here.
Tell them what you're sitting here.
You're going like you know, and then go over to Akin Lawrence channel.
And then them there.
Them
Subscribe.
who did it already, go and go tell who no did it. Go and subscribe to Akeem Lawrence channel right now. You don't know say Akeem run things. See it? Bless up on yourself. Please go over to Candy Empress channel and subscribe. And Reality JA.
Right away.
Public channel.
Public with a K.
Yes.
Don't forget that.
Okay.
Give me money to buy the clothes and do my nails. So the friend I say I'm gonna sponsor my friend to do her ear and back and do her nails. So him say, alright, I'll call her back. Man, say yeah,
So Alicia, remember now when man spend, them a go and get something in return. Man a depend that. If I that in depend, man a depend that.
Don't worry yourself, man. I'm gonna call one girl in case if I not want no. Right now I'm gonna call her too.
Alright.
James, now come in, alright? James! The boy like outside give me a call and answer. James! James!
Yo, Carla. Yeah, come and make a bag of knives like you know used to the place, Carla. Yo, pull a grill and come in. Like you know used to the place.
DJ, you still got the party later? So you don't have nobody to give you money? I'm not working. I don't have nobody to give me nothing. Not even to beg or borrow. So that means that you not go then? Well, that have to just wait and do. Alright, I see. I go see by later. I go check somebody for you and see by later if I can get no money for you to come at the party. Really, girl? You did that for me? Oh, that's why I'm here for real, you know. Alright. We chat. Girl, I go on, I carry on. But me take on another level, me not see them at all. She said she not have nobody to give her no money and she want me to ask my boyfriend to give her money. But she bright.
Easy.
She bright.
Alicia, I want to ask you something. You not sure, man?
Girl, what kind of question that you ask me?
What kind of man if you share? I'm not share my man. Come like you lick your head when you, your mother lick your head when you smile. Head up and lick your head smile. What kind of money I share? My man have money nor food for share. Me a bright tea girl. Me not share my man, I'm mad. When girl and my man do things they do better than me and she take him from me, you're mad.
And suppose your man out there with other woman, where I say about that? Where I say? You don't know, you know. Remember saying I'm gonna have other woman out there, so where I say?
Well, better off me don't know about him and me and share my man, you know, because me know that Dalios thing them mash up. No, keep me mad. In cannot touch my body and then go touch other girl body and come back into me. You mad? In can't do that. That just them both man and woman. I got mash up, come here and beat the two of them. Me I chop up the man first too. And then we burn down the house with him in there.
You know, if it's a case where me and please your man the right way and you not please him the right way.
And I know circumstances me not share my man. So if me can't please him, I better him go on. Kim, by the way, your son like say you that share your man. So tell me, you that really share your man? You that share your man? Answer my question.
Alicia, if him a pay for my nails, do my hair, buy my clothes, and pay for the bills in the house. So, I don't want to like say, yeah, but I share him.
Well, that kind of makes sense because if I do my hair, I do my nails, I buy clothes to me, everything's there for me anytime I want something. Yeah, but that's not a case there, yeah, but that share me, yes, making one and do a man to about it.
Enough women out there share their man and they even know.
So anyways, girl, I go up, come have some clothes and I want to finish wash. And I have to go take my boyfriend the money to see if he might be money so I can do my nails. So if I anything later, I come call her or check your back account.
Alright girl, mother is still. I remember to collect the money from the youth.
Alright.
Kim, what you wanna say about yourself, girl?
My friend just left from her, so that's
so girl, yeah, you're party I keep later, you know, go.
I could have asked her for some money, but they saw wait for go do my ear. I'll start now, yeah, go?
Yeah, girl, I'm just one woman gone with my brother, yeah. Come correct if you kill sometimes if she gone.
So your brother gave money?
Yeah, girl, I'm my father, my brother, the only man them I go take things from. Take man things, though you know I go come after that, though.
As long as I'm my man, I might give him money. I might take him things then.
What's me dying trial? You not hear me call you, Deidre? You in here listen to Satan music?
Auntie, if me hear him, would answer.
Watch ya. I give me attitude. Watch ya. Look how much dirty plate in I sink. You sit down here and listen to Satan music.
Auntie and me just use them, I can wash them up when I finish.
But Deidre, me needed that to come in here and tell you, say to wash them. We can't do so much something. It's better you going back to your mother, you know? Because it's no help to me. You think me take your ear to come turn worthless? Me take your ear to come out to something. Go watch up the plate then. Me not do it. Me not doing it. I better me send you back to your mother. This don't make no sense.
come back with a bag of nice callings, eh? Can't make nobody know it, you know what I'm saying? Business, man. Yeah.
Girl. See girl I left there now.
Alright, now come go.
Man, what did I do right? I know. Hello?
Carla, yeah man, it's me. You know, say from morning, me day at work, me sweep up the yard, and when me come in at the house, can you imagine say DJ dey on phone, I listen to music and he play them the wash? No, me no know how you do it. No man, look like some me have to go send her back.
Me I talk to her.
It not work out. Me can't take it stress. Me no want that before time, you know?
Yeah, just tell DJ me I go talk to her.
No, but you should have grow her to help you out. No, I mean, I want to get trouble too.
Me I hear you. Me I listen to everything, sister.
No man, me just say me I go help you out. Me ain't say me that kill myself helping you out. That don't make no sense. No, you need to talk to her.
Alright? And me I'll come down there later, because me have a piece of money for you. Alright?
Yeah man, talk to her. Me can't bother. Yeah man. Alright. Yeah, me talk to you.
Yeah, man. Okay. Alright.
Deidre, when you finish wash your plate then, I want you to buy some egg down and shop for me. I'm not talking for conduit now. And them something you may talk to your mother about you, you know. You don't have no manners. Better I'm broke now. Take it from me. You know them little something you're supposed to can use your mind and say, you know what? Auntie have it hard. Let me come and wash up the dishes. You know, if for some people you have to wipe car glass and all kind of other things. If you glad say, me do you so good, me treat you well. Me not deserve this, Deidre. One man. Right, man. You can do better, Deidre.
Yo, Jerry, you see Akeem have gone on the field with you. Yo, the dog right now, the thing that's up. Yo, who that girl? She look good, so I'm set up to her. Nice girl. Good girl. Mama. Order. Sexiness. Order. Ugly girl. Tough girl. You hear man I call them and I want to you.
And we are called tough girl. Tough like your mama. Your favorite SSP down at L.
You go butterfoot girl. I saw you stay now. You go long man there complimenting and say yeah behave. As man just say something bad I saw you hear. You see all them girls that's I'm gonna deal with them more time in my yard.
Achoo, man.
Oh, sorry. What are no ways, man? Oh, the war again, the brother.
Call back my brother. You alright?
Oh, where are you?
You say your sister here stay. You can't get your sister one money to do her ear. Nobody tell me the excuse. That every time I see her is an excuse.
Me what? Me not have money or no.
I don't want an excuse.
Me not have money or no, sis. You see what I'm saying?
Every
Not there no money.
I'm tired of that no. I'm tired. You must can't treat your sister to her ear. You look at your sister ear. You can't make people out the road say you have woman look nice and look at your sister.
Yo, sir, yo. Give me a son, man. This right now, what you there, yo. Give me a son, yo. What I'm on this? Let me tell you this. I'm about to come back to you know. I'm about to come back, you know. This bag of nice. Now, what kind of yard this? What? What, this bag of excitement? Now, what kind of yard this?
Come back again, car party, and come up and go want something.
Listen, man. Just go on, man. I'm about to foolish, man. Most of them papi show yard this to her. You don't understand this. So I go on here. Everybody come and make one bag of loud nice with the excitement down and something, man. What do you know, man? Make everybody know my business. I say left man gate. So I say left man gate. The point never come and see me. I said the left man gate. See all you know? You make people run in from people and do some bag of things, you know. It's alright, man.
Come down here for no reason.
Deidre, we are there.
Mommy, Dad. Yeah, well, Mommy.
Alright.
Yeah.
Everything good? Just come back on the phone with your auntie, you know. Yeah. And you know the things that must tell me where you go on with it is not really like, I don't like it, you understand? And right now, me's not in a position to help you, that is why you stay with her. I know sometimes she can be miserable and all of these things, but she's helping me out, she's doing me a favor. You understand what I'm saying to you? Yeah, so any little thing when she tell her to do around the house, do it. I'll sometimes don't even make she tell her to do nothing. You do it before. You understand what I'm saying?
I can't bother. I just feel stressed in that house day. Feel stressed, God knows. Sometimes I can't even sit down in peace. I watch TV, she call me Deidre.
Deidre, them not something the way you complain to me about. Them not something that not necessary. You see me, a simple thing like washing up plate and wash your own clothes and them something there. Are you for do them something that you're a young lady? You understand? Right now, the only problem you're supposed to have is having problem with your school work. And if you're having problem with your school work, you get somebody to help you. You understand? You see what me have to do and you see how me I live. You understand? Me don't want you to come out like me. I want you to come out to something good. You understand me? So not bother with what my sister want to say and help do everything around the house. Help her out. You understand me? You hear me I say? Yeah. Yeah, I saw life going on. I use a young lady. I want you to come out to somebody. I want you to come out to be somebody. Somebody in our life. You're not go up there forever, you know. Yeah, you're not go up there forever. When I was your age, a whole heap of other something I needed have to do. We don't put nowadays, we don't have internet and there's something that we teach you know and show you what to do. We'd have to do everything from scratch. You understand what I tell you? So you don't worry your head and I'm going like you want to disrespect her. You understand? Do every little thing what she tell you to do. You understand me? Because in the future, you're going to see that she was helping you out.
So girl, wait, sing. I can't ready, I got a party.
Girl, anything you wear still look.
Waiting.
You have to go wear that, you can wear that or anything.
Make sure you know.
Yeah, but I'm going to cock up.
Alright. So, this me for them, yeah?
Yeah. Alright. So you're good to go. I just Deandra we have. Me a text service. Cause she I'm gonna make sure all long, you know?
No, I'm gonna wear this. Cause this short little shape and something.
I want to wear something nice. Cause I be a short, so I wear a short. Cause I'm gonna just in a long skirt and then something.
Yeah, girl, I just think a church will go.
I'm not gonna test so. This is gonna make your bottom look bigger.
Girl, not just I said that, you know, cause you don't want to tell me. Remember when I go, I want to look like me ready, you know. I don't want to look flap.
They're not gonna look flat or fat, you just have to look simple in the shot.
Girl, make sure, cause you know people stay, you know me stay.
You not look no way, girl. Honest, you know say talk truth, no. This will make your bottom look big, girl. You gonna look nice in this make. But this nice too, you know. But this I gonna make your bottom look extra big.
Where the Alicia? Did he get the money?
Yeah, me get the money, but I don't know what. The boy shot the money. Right now, me I get tired of him right now. I'm get everything I want. And me can't believe me can't get all of my money. I'm give me half of my money. Right now, me I get tired of him.
So how come about you down here, sir? Where you come down here, sir? Come to now.
Auntie send me come buy look at 2 eggs, but the shop locked.
Okay, alright then. Why not then? Come and know say your auntie will wait for you and everything.
And you know later, we want to go to a party and I know so she will send me.
I'll make you talk to my sister. I'll make sure allow you to go to the party. Okay? You're having the money for go out. Alright, me I go give you some money for go out. Alright? And the money after you use for you to buy your own drink when you go to a party. No make nobody buy no drink for you. You understand me? No take no open no liquor. You understand me? And drink to as much as your ability. You understand me? No drink for get drunk. Alright, see some money here, alright? I'll tell your auntie some soon come, alright?
Alright, mommy.
Alisa, what do you make a radar shot? Because that look good for me.
Alright, we are anything you want. Let's see that look good anyway. See your phone over this side.
Hello? Alisa, I'm so come back here.
Alright.
May I come? The woman in there, so.
Me don't know so she did it. You know, look at time you want to spend with them 4 parts, so me can go link her again. Alright, me link her party, yeah?
I'm saying this, I wish I do this for so long.
Alright people, yes, I know the video need for longer, it need for at least be 1 hour and a half. I don't know if you can get that, but we are going to make a deal. This is the deal we are going to make. So if you're not subscribed yet, you need to click the red button there and subscribe. You need to go in the comment section as well and motivate the actors and actresses them so they feel motivated to come again and put in the work. Because trust me, you know, it can be really intimidating and frustrating. But it will be worth it to them if they see in the comments where you guys love their efforts. Because coming from me alone, I tell them say, oh, them I do good, them probably not gonna believe me. But when I tell them, them will believe. You see me? I'm not asking to send me no money. You understand? I'm not asking to send me no equipment. Nothing at all. All I need you guys to do is like the video, comment, share it, send it to somebody. Say, oh, read that video and tell them what you think. And say, yeah man, I like it. And say, oh, share it with somebody else and tell them the same thing too. You see me? And you can get, I want 2 hour video. Yeah, I want 2 hour video. So, yeah people, just do that for me. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Oh, but St. Thomas people. They're up at the east side. Them have East Indian mango up there like crazy. All up to a dog. You know down west if one East Indian mango drop, be time if you reach the ground, somebody take you up already. You see if it drop you so, they don't want it. You have to come straight off a tree, you see me? So, yeah people, apart from that, for your entertainment, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Yeah, I shall soon the next, oh, blouse and skirt before I go away. So, this channel now to get short films, vlogs, and all of that. But I'm going to put a link, as a matter of fact, the pinned comment. So there, check the comment section, the first comment, the one that is at the top. It will take you to the channel that will have full-length movie videos like this. You understand me? So subscribe to that channel. That is the channel where I upload the full-length thing them fun. If you no uphold for no end of the bargain, which is liking the video, subscribing if you're not subscribed yet, share, comment, and motivate the actors and actresses them. That's all Lara asking for the people. That's all. But there's St. Thomas by myself, by the way. Meet some new people, just a film with them, share my world with them, them a share for them world with me. And it's an amazing experience, doesn't it? Really like it. So yeah, just do that for me and you can get videos upon videos upon videos upon videos upon videos. Lara not asking no money, Lara not asking no equipment, Lara not asking no for stress out on herself. Everything where Lara asking no for do, and you can do it right now, we just at top of the thing, you see me? Boom boom, share, Facebook all about, boom, like, boom, subscribe. You do good there, so I like how you act there, so. That's all. Yeah, entertainment is delivered. So until then, I shall see you now. Remember to subscribe and go over that channel to go subscribe to send you up to 1,000 or whatever. I might post this over there as well so you can run up the watch hours for me and probably get it monetized. But yeah, until then, Lara shall soon to match up some East Indian mango, probably come back some West food. Little more.
DJ, you know, so I just come off for the phone with your auntie and she say, nah, go and go, your behavior is not good in the house. And you know, say,
action.
This is your coat back.
And action.
Alicia, I want to ask you something. Have something to say? That you can cut back in.
Action.
So Alicia, what is it back here? Well, I don't remember what would I say. So I said, Alicia, what if I want kids with already?
Alright, yeah. And action. And action. And
ready. Oh, me want to start and some full crown, sir?
so I said, well, I can say, well, so put it like that, I think it kind of makes sense. If the action.
I mean, we never understand what. I'm not interested in that. So, anyways, girl.
And action.
So, anyways, talk to her now, please. I mean, we not did anything. So, anyways, girl, we are close. We can't do it. Can't just look at the door face now. We can't do it.
Action.
Kim, what you want to should I say it now? One look away a while ago, enough to go.
Hold on, I want like
Kim, what you want us? What you want to sit on your shadow?
So girl, you know, you're supposed to keep up.
So you want to go?
Yeah, girl, me I got a party, you know. But just girls.
action.
Yeah. She never asked me the question. We don't ask her. Also,
You know, so your auntie just called me and the things that she has said to me on the phone, you know, I not really like to hear them something about you as you be my daughter. You hear me, sir? Yeah, you know. So,
action.
Deidre, when me was for your age and then something there, when me was a little pitney, a cow, goat and them something there, me that fear look after, I milk the cow and I milk the goat and them something there and I carry them a bush and all of them something there. So you are complaining about washing up 2 little plate? 2 little plate? That is nothing compared to what me did have to do as a little pitney. You understand me? And now we don't have taxi for carrying to go to school and then something there. And miles we used to have to walk. Miles we used to have to walk before we reach our school. And some we not have no shoes and then something there. You understand me? I tell you? Yeah. So don't make sure to call me and tell me about bend up your face. You know wash up my dishes and then something there. You hear me? That is not nice. Not time.
No.
Action. Action.
What you say, my girl? Hear me? Landscaping me doing, you know. Can take care of you and your whole family, you know. Tell you that right now, you know. You say you want a car, you can't do that. Matter of fact, I can make it the hottest thing on the block. And if I hear a house this still, but I can buy a house same way. You see me? It's yourself, man. What you say? Where I come son? I'm doing
Action.
That not so bad. That sound better than what my man I deal with. About uno man full of sweet mouth talk. Action me deal with.
And action.
Uno man full of sweet talk, but the action me deal with. But anyways, one party I come up later. I don't know if I can give him a little money. And when I go and see him, I can put in a little more words and hear what you have to say.
Action.
What you say, my girl? Hear me? Landscaping me doing, you know. Can take care of you and your whole family, you know. Tell you that right now, you know. You say you want a car, you can't do that. Matter of fact, I can make it the hottest thing on the block. And if I hear a house this still, but I can buy a house same way. You see me? It's yourself, man. What you say? Where I come son? I'm doing